So yes, this is just right now a tiny storage room, and this is bigger than the space I started my business in. So how's it going? I'm Dan with Decks Unlimited. This is my mascot Willow, and we're going to talk about decks today. I've owned Decks Unlimited for about 10 years, been in the construction industry for about 20. Started framing houses when I was probably just turned 18. I had no business doing construction. I couldn't even read a tape measure. Worked for some great companies and worked for some not great companies, and really shown what to do and what not to do when I did go to start my business. Ever since I was a kid, I knew I would own my own business. And I had no plan on building a company out of the deck thing. I just loved building decks, and the housing market changed a little bit, and I could always showcase my work. And so my plan was to build one deck a week and fish a whole bunch, be a pro bass fisherman, go down to Missouri and fish tournaments against locals that kick my butt every time. Yeah, working out of your truck in your basement and your garage, your room shrinks really quickly, and so it just really reminds me how appreciative I am to have an actual office now. Over time, we got this all built out over here for our office space, but it is really nice to have an indoor showroom to bring people into, and different products we offer. Obviously Simpson, Diablo, kind of some of the main brands. TimberTech and Decorators are the decking brands we like to use. Jeff is our project coordinator, so he's got all these fun things on the walls, getting everything taken care of. Same here, just kind of our game plan, all our future building permits, all that stuff. This is where project management lives. Alex, he's not in the office, he's doing his job, which is fantastic. And then we've got our office back here with Laura. Kim's also usually sitting here, but she is out this morning. Back here, our lovely forklift, the Beast. It's just that, it is the Beast. She's been around for a while, and she was around a while before I got her, so she's a good girl. She does. Over here, we've got our tool rental stuff. So we rent augers, jackhammers, all that kind of fun stuff. So this is a pull behind auger. Don't force it. Do not fight this. It hurts. Other things we rent out, power washers, concrete mixers, jackhammers, specialty tool rental, concrete saws, all those kind of fun things. So one of the biggest things is just keeping an organized yard. Isaiah and Elijah do a fantastic job of keeping this place pretty well organized. We've got our pre-packaged decks along the fence for our treated. We tarp all that just to ensure, again, that sun isn't beating up the elements too bad. Then all our composite deck packs that are about to go out are here. The next ones that are going out are on those trailers in the back. So there's our Deck City truck. We do all of our deliveries by hand. Some people use forklifts. What we found is it's a little bit easier on the material, just hand unloading, taking care of things. We can also bring material around back for you guys. I would build a deck from 7 to 4:30, roll up, eat dinner, go start another deck at 6, and work till dark. And I think something that people don't realize when you start a business is those are the hours that you're gonna work. There's only one person to answer to, so there's only one person to blame, which is good to a point, but it comes with a lot of stress and a lot of sacrifice, a lot of missing family time. As a business owner, just remember your family, because that's what's important. Your business is gonna be here for the rest of your life, but your family's not. And so making sure to take time to stop and smell the roses along the way and celebrate victories along the way is huge. So I've made every mistake there is to make. I've said the wrong thing. I've damaged relationships. I've done everything wrong in business that you can think of. But the most important thing is thinking about adding value to what you're doing. Because if you're in it for money, you're not gonna make it. If money is your main motivator, that can be good for some businesses, but I don't think for long-term businesses is the right thing to focus on, because money is just a byproduct of doing the right thing. Knowing what is important and what isn't, and when to take time to invest into those important things. Don't try to run, just nice and easy. It's a marathon. You're thinking about this for the rest of your life, not for this year. And it is going to take a ton of sacrifice. Every time you hire somebody new, get ready to make less money. The owner is who has to sacrifice if you want growth. And for people that are thinking about starting, start. Don't wait, just go. There's nothing stopping you. That work?
Perfect.